Why does your body heal sunburn over time? The answer reveals your skin's incredible repair powers and how your body fights damage to keep you healthy. Sunburn occurs because ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun damage the DNA inside your skin cells. This damage causes inflammation, which you see as redness and feel as pain. Your body immediately responds to this injury by increasing blood flow to the area, bringing immune cells to fight the damage and clear out dead cells. This is why the sunburned skin feels hot and swollen. The peeling you notice days later is your body shedding the damaged outer skin layers. Once the initial damage is detected, your immune system sends white blood cells to the sunburn site to remove damaged cells and fight any potential infections. Meanwhile, skin cells called keratinocytes start dividing and growing to replace the damaged layers. This regeneration process takes time, which is why healing happens over days to weeks. Your skin also produces pigments like melanin to protect itself better from future UV exposure. Healing sunburn takes several days because your body needs to carefully rebuild the skin's protective barrier. It's not just about making new cells, but organizing them correctly to keep your skin waterproof and resilient. Rushing this process could cause scarring or infections. Also, the inflammation must subside gradually to avoid further damage. This slow but steady repair is why your skin looks better day by day after a sunburn. Your body's ability to heal sunburn shows just how amazing your skin is at protecting and repairing itself. Next time you get burned, remember this natural repair process is working hard to restore you. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.